Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to put a screensaver on Chromebook. The first thing you need to do is go down to the bottom right hand corner and you're going to tap right where you see the time. From here you're going to tap on the settings icon. After selecting the settings icon, you're going to go over to the menu option on the left hand corner. And from here, you're going to select personalization. Then the first option right below personalization, you're going to see set your wallpaper and style. You're going to tap on that and you'll be redirected to this page. And from here, you're going to select screensaver. Then you're going to toggle it on. After toggling on screensaver, you can select one of the options right here. Or you could scroll down and you can select one from your art gallery, or you can select Google Photos. But for this example, I'll simply select this one right here, Feel the Breeze. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.